Hello guys, welcome to Singh Unboxing. In this video we'll be talking about the process for medical for Canada, and we'll be talking about the best practices to follow to get your medical done. Subscribe to Singh Unboxing for more upcoming videos on Canada. IRCC might mandate you to get your medical done for temporary residence or permanent. If your stay is longer than 6 months, then there is a good possibility that you need to get a medical done. Let's talk about the process. For this, you have to go to browser and search for Medical Canada PR or study visa as per your requirement on Google, and you will get this link in front of you from canada.ca. Stay tuned till the end of this video for a very important tip. Let's now talk about where to go. On this site, let's now go to Who Can Do Your Exam section and select Panel Physicians. Select your country, and basis this, it will show you the complete list of approved physicians for all the cities and their contact information. Let's now talk about the tests required. Very first test would involve a general physician to check your weight, height, vision, hearing, heart rate, blood pressure, etc. Next is the blood test for HIV and other diseases, following with urine test, chest x-ray. These tests might vary a little. Let's now talk about the timeline. This process is just for about 1 or 1.5 hours and would require a pre-booking by calling up the hospital a day before. Don't worry about this and leave this for later on your application submission timeline. I will share the reason soon. Let's now talk about the cost. The cost was about 4 to 5,000 Indian rupees when I got it done in Delhi. It might vary a little now. You can check with the hospital by calling them up. What documents are required? You just need your passport, 4 photographs, printout of your ITA, eyeglasses if you wear them, medical reports for pre-existing conditions, and list of your current medications. Let's now talk about the important tip you all were waiting for. Your medical exam results are valid for 12 months only. If you don't come to Canada as a permanent resident within that time, you may need to have another exam. Hence, it is beneficial to get your medical just a few days before you are planning to submit your application, as it gives you longer time to land in Canada. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to Singh Unboxing, and I'll see you in the next video.